G'day! Alright, harvest time. Although whether you can call picking a couple of tomatoes a harvest, I'm not quite sure, but it doesn't really matter. I'm thrilled to be at this particular point. I've got tomatoes in the tubs and also some of the tomatoes in the garden. They are ready to pick. The garden mesh is doing its job. If there have been possums or cockatoos or rodents around here, they certainly haven't got to this particular fruit, although I can see from the next door neighbour, which doesn't have the mesh around it, they haven't been troubled yet either. Which is a surprise to me actually, because this time last year I was already losing fruit to the local fauna. But anyway, speaking of the local fauna, I'm now going to cut a little hole in this mesh just to demonstrate that if you do choose to protect your tomatoes in this way, it's not terribly hard to get at them when you need it. I'm just going to cut a little square here that'll allow me to reach in, cut the fruit, also add fertiliser, aerate the soil a little bit. Here we go. This is Hero. I think Hero thinks he's responsible for keeping the possums away this year. He might be right. Yeah, looks high enough. And there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'll close that up. A couple of ties. That'll keep the door shut. And there it is. One for the salad plate, and I think I might grab one from the garden as well. And the other way that you can get to your fruit is just to lift your garden mesh up and over the top. And look at that. These are, of course, the Heritage Italians. And I am going to just put that protection back on. There we go, better safe than sorry. And, all right, so I know that one swallow doth not a summer make, but I reckon 3 tomatoes should go together with a little bit of basil to make a very nice tomato and basil salad. Whites have plenty of other clever ideas to help bring your garden to life, and they're available from your local Bunnings.